Hey, welcome back to the channel. I am really glad you're here because today I'm going to show you a brand new product from Ken's bolt-on hooks that I think you're going to really enjoy.
Welcome to my cluttered garage. You know I'm really glad you're here. Yeah!
This is the new chain box from Ken's bolt-on hooks, and of course it's so much more than a chain box, but it's designed to work with your imported quick hitch. I'm going to mount this on my Harbor Freight quick hitch today. It's such a simple design, yet it's brilliant, and it's going to come in so handy. So let's get to mounting it on the quick hitch. There are very few tools needed to mount this box to your quick hitch. The one tool that some people may not have is an impact driver, but I would recommend that you pick one up because it is my most used power tool. The other thing you'll need is a clamp that opens to at least 5 inches, and if you don't have an impact driver, you'll need a drill and a socket set so you can screw the self-tapping screws into the metal. The design of the chain box matches up with the design of your quick hitch, and it's made so it can be mounted on the left side or the right side. I'm going to mount it on the left side because that's the side that I get on and off of the tractor from. But the neat thing about that is you can buy 2 of these chain boxes and have one on each side. Maybe keep a chain in one side, a strap in the other, or some tools. It's really handy that way. So first thing we're going to do is just slide it in place, and you can see it just matches up nicely. Now here's where the clamp comes in. Now this one's staying in place, but not all quick hitches may be exactly the same width, so that's what you want your clamp for, and you just put it in place and clamp it in place. Now there's one thing you're going to need, either a washer or a quarter, and that is to set your gap here, because you don't want this to be past the line here on the side. You want to have it lined up just even with the edge. And we'll slip a quarter in here as shown in the directions, and that will gap perfectly for us. Here's a shot looking straight down, so I'll just place the quarter in there, and you can see how I can move it until we have just the right gap. That's all there is to it there. Now I've got my 5/16 socket on my impact driver, and this is the self-tapping screw, and I'm just going to put the first screw in. And you can see that you just tighten the screw until you see the rubber start to squeeze out, and you know you're tight enough. And just 3 more on the back side. Now Ken also includes this nice piece of rubber trim lock edging, and that just presses on. You have to turn it 90 degrees. I left mine out in the sun for a while so that it would get nice and soft. Now if you have to trim this, it's very easily done with a sharp razor knife. Very easily done and carefully done. You just have to get between a couple of the metal pieces. And there it is. And that's it, the chain box is mounted. But wait, there's more. Now, even though the chain box is not waterproof, you can get this optional lid, and that will help keep your chains and your tools out of the sun and out of the weather and more protected. When you buy the optional lid, it comes with the hardware, which includes these nice nylon spacers and washers, as well as these nylock nuts. Well, that looks great. I've got about 12 feet of 3/8 link tow chain. Let's try it out. Really nice. This tow strap is about 15 feet long. Fits in there just right. Now you likely know Ken's bolt-on hooks from their original product, the bolt-on chain grab hooks for your buckets, but they make a lot of other products. One of the better ones is this extended hook for these imported quick hitches. If you have a Harbor Freight quick hitch, you'll know that the included hook is too shallow and a lot of implements just won't connect. So what Ken did was he designed this hook that sticks out about 5/8 of an inch further and allows all those implements to connect the way they should. Really makes this quick hitch so much more usable. Hey, be sure to check out boltonhooks.com for all their quality US-made products. I want to thank Kenny for sending that chain box to me today to try out, and I want to thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed to the channel, I invite you to join us, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Well, that looks great. I've got about 12 feet of 3/8. Well, that looks great. I've got about 12 feet of 3/8 tow chain here. Let's try it out. Did I say that already? No. Well, that looks great. I've got about 12 feet of 3/8 link chain. Well, that looks great. I've got about 12 feet of 3/8 link tow chain. Well, that looks great. I've got about 12 feet of 3/8 link tow chain. Let's try it out.